how to recover deleted Discord server, channel, and messages. So if you want to recover your deleted Discord server, channel, and messages, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply open up your browser, and here you need to go with Xenon Discord bot, and here you need to go with add to Discord. In my case, I'll just simply go and select the server. After that, you need to go with continue, which will be on the bottom. Go with authorize, click on I am a human. If you've not logged in, then you just need to simply go and log in first and then add this. And once you've added, you need to go back and then open up your Discord. After opening your Discord, you need to go with the server, and here you need to go with the chat, and you need to type /backup space create, and Xenon will create a backup and give you a unique ID. Keep this ID safe. Now, if anything happens to your server, you can use that unique ID to restore it on the same server. Xenon ensures that you don't lose important things like settings, roles, and channels. So this is about your server and your channel, right? But if you talk about the Discord messages, then whether it's a direct message or something in a server, accidentally deleting a message can be frustrating, especially if it's important. First thing is you need to take a screenshot. This way, even if the message is deleted later, you'll have a record of it. But if you miss the opportunity to take a screenshot, then don't worry. There's another bot, which is YAGPDB bot. Here's how it works. Go to the website and invite the bot to your server. Once the bot is added, use the command, which is undelete, and the bot will show you up to 10 deleted messages from the last 1 hour in your server, which is for free. If you upgrade to a premium plan, you can see deleted messages for the past 12 hours. That's it. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching.